Are you a small business owner struggling to stand out in today's crowded marketplace? Do you want to attract more customers, increase your sales, and build a loyal customer base? Well, stick around because in this video, we're diving into the latest and most effective digital marketing strategies that are tailored for small businesses just like yours. And trust me, you don't want to miss these actionable tips. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about local SEO. As a small business, your local community is your biggest asset. Make sure your business is listed on Google My Business and that your profile is fully optimized. Use relevant keywords like best coffee shop in your city or affordable accounting services near me. Encourage your customers to leave reviews because they play a huge role in building trust and improving your search ranking. And don't forget to include your location on your website and social media pages. Next up, social media marketing. You don't need to be everywhere, but you do need to be where your audience hangs out. Focus on one or two platforms that suit your business. For example, Instagram is fantastic for visually driven businesses like bakeries or fashion boutiques, while LinkedIn works great for B2B services. Post consistently, engage with your followers, and don't shy away from using trending features like Reels or Stories to showcase your products or services. Now, here's something you might not have thought of: content marketing. Blogs, videos, and infographics can position your business as an authority in your field. Let's say you own a gym. Writing a blog about 5 simple exercises to stay fit at home can attract health-conscious readers and turn them into potential customers. Consistently providing valuable content builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Another game changer is email marketing. Despite what you may have heard, email is far from dead. Build an email list by offering something valuable, like a free ebook or discount code. Send personalized emails to your subscribers with updates, offers, or helpful tips. Use tools like MailChimp or Constant Contact to make your campaigns professional and automated. Remember, the key is not to spam, but to provide value. Don't underestimate the power of paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads are incredibly effective for targeting specific audiences. You can set a budget that suits your needs and run campaigns to promote your services, products, or special offers. And here's the best part: you can track your ad performance in real time and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, let's talk about video marketing. Videos are dominating the digital world, and they're a fantastic way to showcase your business. Create short, engaging videos that highlight your products, share customer testimonials, or provide behind-the-scenes looks at your business. You don't need a huge budget; even a smartphone can produce great results. Upload these videos to your website, social media, and YouTube channel to maximize their reach. Now that you have these strategies at your fingertips, it's time to take action. Which one will you implement first? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to grow your small business. Your success is just one strategy away, so start today.